Alright, Busman54. We've had a lot of projects this weekend, ran out of daylight. So I said, get my little flashlight. And then we remembered my powerful LED lights. And it's so bright, Ryan has to work with his shield on so he doesn't get blinded by the light. So, having fun getting the golf cart ready for the car show in Illinois, because you know old Busman's legs and feet aren't good. So, yeah, the light's a little bright. Also, the trailer, we worked on it. We got the winch working on that. So what we're taking to the show is this 63. So we, yeah, kind of running out of time, but we're gonna get there. Been buffing it, and oh yeah, we have some overheating. This oil cooler, let's see if my finger right here, we ordered a new one of those, and at one time this engine caught fire. You can see the firewall kind of rusted where it's burnt the paint off. This is a 1963, 50,000 original miles. I mean, it's the beauty. Inside, the seats, they're like new. Inside's like new. It's like a time capsule. That's the chrome molding. What we're going to try to do too, when it caught fire, this window seal, it's brittle. So we're going to try to pull this window, get the window seal replaced with the new chrome. Tall order, because the car show's the first weekend in June, and with our day jobs we just kind of have the weekend. So Memorial Day we're going to be hitting it hard, getting this stuff ready. So we got our new trailer, winch, so the Beetle and the golf cart will fit on it. So let me flip this around. So yes, busy weekend. Got the Ergo garden, vegetables planted, ran out of daylight. I'll have to show that another day. We worked on that this weekend. I got some flowers in the front. Again, with this daylight, unless I carry this big floodlight around, probably not gonna see it. But kind of a late, quick update. This Ryan working with the motorcycle helmet. I just got tickled by that. Figured you guys would get a kick out of it too. So Busman having a very long constructive weekend, and boy, the time is running out for us, but we'll make it. I mean, we'll get there. You guys have a good weekend. We'll catch up with you on the next upload. I'll show the garden and the flowers and the front porch. And yeah, you're probably saying, what about the bus? Isn't it funny? You know, life just takes you in a few diversions or detours. We'll get on the bus after the car show. All right, keeping this short. See you later. Bye.